Hi, it's Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors with this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This week's topic is open houses. There are several good reasons to stop in at an open house. You might be thinking of selling soon and want to check out the neighbor's open house to see how it compares to yours. It's a good idea to check out the competition. You can meet the agent and see how knowledgeable she is about the local market and do a little mini interview to see if that agent is somebody that you'd like to represent you when it's time to sell. And of course, the main reason to stop at an open house is that you might be in the market for a new home. Remember to mind your manners at open houses. Usually someone is still living in the house and we're all their guests. Remove shoes or wear booties if asked. The seller may have small children that play on the floors, or there might be newer flooring. Please sign in with the real estate agent. It's important for the agents to keep track of who's coming into their client's home. Please don't bring any beverages or snacks with you. If some are offered to you by the agent, be considerate and don't leave a trail of crumbs behind. Stay with the group that you came in with, whether it's your realtor or your family. Tour the rooms together. Please don't open furniture that isn't included in the sale, but feel free to open up the closets to check out the space. Remember, an open house is not the time for a home inspection. Don't bring the inspector with you, and please stay out of attic hatches, basement crawl spaces, and for goodness sakes, don't crawl on the roof. Lastly, please give us agents a little feedback on the house. Tell us what you liked and if you noticed anything out of place. And be sure to say goodbye before you leave. So, Travis and I do like to attend open houses with our clients, but I hope these little tips will help you if you're touring on your own. Thanks for tuning in to Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This is Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. Please, if you have any friends or family that are planning to move, pass along our information. We promise we'll work hard for them too.